Okay. So already we have seen. Yes, cadet, am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So already we have seen the first law of thermodynamics also. So can anyone tell me what is the first law of thermodynamics in physics? Quick. Yes, cadet.
So if small amount of heat energy supplied to the system and system is capable for doing work, then amount of heat energy absorbed by system will be equal to the sum of increasing internal energy of system and external work done on surrounding.
Yes, exactly. So in simple words, we can say that suppose if you are providing some small amount of heat energy to the system and system is capable, system is able to do some work, then the amount of heat energy absorbed by the system can be utilized for the two purposes. First, to increase its temperature, that is to increase its internal energy, and second one, to change its work done or to do the work done, to expand the gas, isn't it? So but we'll go ahead with the next point now. So we'll discuss in detail what is work done in isothermal process. What is work done in isothermal process? Okay, get it? So already we have seen isothermal process also. So what are the characteristics, main characteristics of isothermal process according to you? Yes, cadets. Anyone from boys? Yes, Manish.
Temperature constant.
Yes. This is the simplest characteristics we have with us.
Adiabatic walls.
Yes. Isothermal process, we can't use adiabatic wall, my dear. We use
Dithermic, sir.
dithermic wall. Exactly. So basically, what is isothermal process? The simplest definition is in isothermal process, temperature remains constant and there is a extremely small change in the volume. Right. Second thing, in isothermal process, as we are using dithermic wall, so there is heat exchange between system and surroundings. Right. And again, one more word is there in this statement. What is work done? So as isothermal process belongs to the thermodynamic system, so can you tell me general definition of work done in thermodynamic system? Yes, cadet. We know that. Bolo, what is work done in thermodynamic system?
Heat energy absorbed.
It is the absorbed energy minus.
Yes, it absorbs
internal energy.
Yes, but there is one relation, no? I already taught you one relation which gives the exact work done.
Pressure change in volume.
Exactly. So work done is equal to integrating or integration of from initial volume V1 to final volume V2, pressure into change in volume. So say this equation number 1. Say this equation number 1. Now just imagine, देखो बच्चों, now we have to imagine one simple example. ठीक है? Now देखो, we have one system with us. Now this is a system, and now as we know, the walls of this system are made by conducting material or dithermic material. Now this is a cylinder which has the dithermic wall, means the wall which are able to exchange heat with the surroundings, right? Now the system contains large number of gas molecules. Now okay, this system, let me draw the figure. The system contains large number of gas molecules, n number of gas molecules, and this system is fitted with, yes bachcho bolo, the system is fitted with
Dithermic wall.
fitted with wetless and frictionless piston. Wetless and frictionless piston, right? अभी यहाँ पे आप देखोगे, suppose once again देखो, this is a system which contains large number of particles, n number of particles, which has certain value of pressure, volume and temperature, which has pressure P, volume V and temperature T, and it is fitted with movable, frictionless and weightless piston, right? So as we are discussing isothermal process, so if you provide small amount of external heat Q to the system, definitely the system will exchange its heat with the surroundings. System क्या करेगी, उस अपनी heat जो है वो surrounding के साथ exchange करेगी as it is fitted with dithermic wall. So its temperature will remains constant only. So if you assume that एक एज्यूम करते हैं कि सपोज इनिशियली द पिस्टन वाज एट पोजीशन 1, इनिशियली पिस्टन 1 फर्स्ट 1 पोजीशन पे था, ठीक है, एंड आफ्टर एक्सपांशन देयर इज अ स्मॉल एक्सपांशन इज डन इन आइसोथर्मल प्रोसेस आल्सो, वी हैव सीन दैट, because isothermal process temperature will remain constant but there is a small expansion, and after expansion, see here, after expansion the piston reaches its final position 2, ठीक है, यहाँ पे जा रहा है पिस्टन अभी, here it is 2 second position, देखो यहाँ पे, so if you say at first position pressure was P1, temperature was T1 and volume was V1, so after giving some heat energy there was a small expansion, there was a small work done in the gas, so we can write pressure changes from P1 to P2, volume changes from V1 to V2, and what about temperature, cadets?
Constant.
Yes,
Constant.
it will remain constant, so T1 will not change, it will remain T1, because whatever amount of heat is being absorbed by the system, same amount of energy or 90% of energy it will lose in terms of heat with the, or it will exchange in terms of heat with the surroundings, ठीक है, so temperature बढ़ने का कोई चांस ही नहीं है, but remaining 5-10% energy will be utilized for the expansion process, for the work done process, ठीक है, so that's what we have know, we already learned this case, ठीक है, अब देखो आगे जाके, but according to ideal gas equation for isothermal process we can write बच्चों PV is equal to nRT हम लिख सकते हैं, so what is the value of Vp here from this equation, can anyone tell me the value of P, so can we write
NRT upon V.
yes we can write nRT upon V from this equation, ठीक है, so say this equation number 2, this is 1, now see what we are going to do here, we can use equation 2 in equation 1, right, so यहाँ पे देखो we have equation 1 here, so work done मतलब इस पिस्टन को फर्स्ट पोजीशन से सेकंड पोजीशन तक ले जाने के लिए उस सिस्टम को कितना वर्क डन पड़ा, कितना काम करना पड़ा, आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट, मींस in order to push the piston from position 1 to 2, what exactly the work has to be done by the system, right, so that work done we have to calculate, or amount, in simple way we can say that what is or what amount of work done is required to push the piston from position 1 to position 2, that work done is nothing but कितना होता है PdV, but we know that equation 2 P is nRT upon V, so we can write integration of V1 to V2, P की वैल्यू यहाँ पे पुट करेंगे, so nRT by V into dV, but if you see here cadets, अगर आप यहाँ पे carefully देखोगे, n is the number of mole, it is constant, R universal gas, it is also constant, and especially for isothermal process temperature is also constant, so all three constants will take it out of the integration sign, so nRT integration of V1 to V2, okay, 1 upon V dV, clear, but we have one rule of integration, ठीक है ना, तो एक रूल क्या बोलता है देखो, integration of 1 upon x dx is always log to the base e x होता है, clear बच्चों, you must have learned in the mathematics period log to the base e x होता है, yes cadet, is that clear, अरे समझ में आ रहा है क्या, we have one rule in mathematics, if
Yes, sir.
do the integration of 1 upon x dx, it will come log to the base e x, so similarly will you apply integration for 1 upon v dv, yes cadet, so what will be the work done, it will come nRT and integration of 1 upon v dv will be
log
to the base e v from
V1 to V2.
to v2, lower limit v1 to final upper limit v2, then we'll put the limits in this case, अगर हम लिमिट पुट करेंगे तो क्या आएगा, वर्क डन इज इक्वल टू nRT, देखो क्या आएगा, log to the base e v2 minus log to the base e v1, ठीक है, but one more rule is there in logarithm, do you remember this rule cadets,
Yes, sir. V2 upon V1.
yes, एक रूल होता है, अगर हमारे पास log to the base e x upon y होगा, so this could be written log to the base e x minus log to the base e y, we can write it, no,
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड वी कैन राइट, देखो हम यहाँ पे लिख सकते हैं nRT log to the base e v2 minus nRT log to the base e v1. So instead of this we can write, देखो हम क्या लिख सकते हैं, work done in isothermal process is equal to nRT log to the base e v2 upon v1. Clear? So this is work done in isothermal process, but yes, we don't have logarithmic table or we don't have procedure to find the log to the base e. So we have to convert log to the base e into log to the base 10 because we have the logarithmic table of log to the base 10, natural logarithm. ठीक है? So how do we convert cadets? Is there any relation between log to the base e and log to the base 10? If you don't know, then write this relation. देखो हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं, log to the base e of x is equal to, we have to multiply it, 2.303 into log to the base 10x. अगर आपको log to the base e को अगर आपको 10 में कन्वर्ट करना होगा, then we have to multiply that quantity x by 2.303. Understood? Yes, cadet, is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so will you tell me the final equation now? After putting these values in this, what will be the work done in isothermal process? So I'll write here work in isothermal process. So nRT, okay, yes बच्चों क्या आएगा बोलो? और हम यहाँ पे देखो, initially we can write 2.303 into nRT
Log 10 to power v.
yes, log to the base 10 v2 upon v1. ठीक है ना? So this is our work done in isothermal process. But yes, in isothermal process, as we know that isothermal process obeys Boyle's law, right? Isothermal process obeys Boyle's law. So according to Boyle's law, देखो, according to Boyle's law, what we can write, v2 upon v1, also we can write p1 upon p2. Clear? As temperature is constant. So again we can write work done in isothermal process for numerical purpose 2.303 into nRT log to the base 10 p1 by p2. Yes, cadet, is that clear now? कोई doubt होगा अभी पूछो इसमें. This is very important for your GAT examination, CBSE examination also. Yes, cadet. Yes, Anujesh, Manish, Vaishnavi, do you have any doubt in it? Feel free to ask immediately.
No, sir.
Okay.
सर एग्जाम में ये लॉग का यूज कैसे करें हम?
Log
Log
table, we have log table with us, and in for CBSE examination, log table is allowed. Cadets can use log table for the
Sir,
calculation
derivatives.
purpose.
सर
ठीक है?
नहीं आएंगे ना सर?
Yes.
डेरिवेटिव्स नहीं आएंगे ना सर एग्जाम में?
नहीं derivatives नहीं आएंगे, but derivations तो आ सकते हैं ना. You have theory examination now. Term 2 examination will be on theoretical based as published by CBSE. So you have to write these derivations. It may come for 3 to 2 marks. What is isothermal process? Derive an expression for work done in isothermal process. आ सकता है ना 2-3 मार्क्स के लिए. Clear?
यस सर.
Okay. अब कोई डाउट है इसमें? Is there any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay. So should we go ahead with the next point? Work done in adiabatical process. It is a bit similar to this only. So slight changes are there. Should we go ahead now?
1 minute सर
Yes,
राइटिंग.
sir.
Okay. You write down. Write down immediately. Is it done? You can take screenshot. You can have a snap and then later you can write it, no, at your houses. ठीक है, should I erase this? Should we go ahead with the next point now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, see, just now we have seen the work done in isothermal process. What does it mean? Means if we are dealing with isothermal process where the gas is enclosed in a system, where the system is enclosed by the dithermic wall, in that case, there is heat exchange between system and surroundings. So in order to do some small work done in that process, we required 2.303 into nRT log to the base 10 P1 upon P2 or V2 upon V1. This much amount of energy, this much amount of work done is needed in isothermal process as temperature is constant. Okay? But what is going to happen when we replace these walls with adiabatic, with non-conducting material, and if you don't provide any energy to it, something is going to happen, right? And that something we are going to find it now. अगर वॉल डाइथर्मिक हो गए तो कितनी एनर्जी लगेगी एक्सपांड होने के लिए, और अगर वॉल्स इंसुलेटिंग हो गए, एडियाबैटिक हो गए, तो कितनी एनर्जी लगेगी उसको एक्सपांड होने के लिए. दैट्स व्हाट वी हैव टू सी इन नेक्स्ट पॉइंट. ठीक है, तो अगर वॉल्स अगर डाइथर्मिक हो गए तो हमें पता है वर्क डन कितना होता है 2.303 into nRT log to the base 10 P1 upon P2 or V2 upon V1. But if you replace this walls of the container, walls of the cylinder by adiabatical wall, then what exactly the work done in this process? That's what we are going to discuss now. Okay, so I'll erase this. देखो, चलो, I'm erasing this. So now here we'll discuss work done in adiabatical process. ठीक है, तो same case we can consider, but only small changes there. That changes I'll tell you now. देखो अभी क्या होगा. Okay, we don't have time, that's why I'm using same screen only. Even I can use next screen, but right now we have 10 minutes only. Already we are in extra time. Okay, so we'll try to finish it. Now same case you consider, but only change now work done in adiabatical process or adiabatic process. Okay, so can anyone tell me what exactly the adiabatic process? Fast. Yes, kid, jaldi thoda sa.
It is the process in which temperature and volume changes.
Yes, both change. Matlab temperature as well as volume both change in that process. So we know that again, what is work done in thermodynamic process? Thermodynamic process में work done कितना होता है? Work done is equal to V1 to V2 PdV. But यहाँ पे थोड़ा सा concentrate कीजिएगा, ये बहुत important है. अगर just imagine that, consider a system which has the large assembly of n number of molecules enclosed in a cylinder, and this cylinder now fitted with adiabatical wall. Adiabatical wall in the sense now cylinder can exchange its heat with the surroundings. वो अपनी heat surrounding के साथ exchange कर सकता है. समझ में आ रहा है? The system can exchange its heat with surroundings. Is it clear? Is it true? Yes, cadet?
No, sir.
हाँ, तो कब बोलोगे आप? System cannot exchange now its heat with the surroundings. Now यहाँ पे देखो, मैं green color use कर रहा हूँ. So green color indicates that it cannot exchange. The heat is locked now. Heat क्या होगी? इसमें lock हो गई अभी. वो exchange नहीं कर सकता. ठीक है ना? And one more change. We are not going to provide any heat energy externally. तो यहाँ पे external heat जो होगी, external Q, वो क्या होगा? 0 होगा. Right? अब देखो, initially the piston was at position 1, first position पे था, जहाँ पे pressure P1, volume V1 and temperature T1 था. So consider assembly of large number of particles which are enclosed in a gas cylinder which is fitted with adiabatical walls. Initially the piston was at position 1, at which the pressure, volume and temperature are P1, V1, T1 respectively at position 1. And as we know, in adiabatical expansion, system itself uses its own internal energy to expand the body. And after expansion, the piston reaches at position 2. Okay, and at position 2, we can say pressure changes from P1 to P2, volume changes from V1 to V2, temperature changes from T1 to T2, means temperature as well as volume both are changing in the adiabatical process. Okay, because there is no heat exchange, in between system and surroundings. Clear? Yes, cadet, is that clear? Ab dekho, but we know that we have work done formula with us. Work done is equal to V1 to V2 PdV. But here one more expression is there. In CBSE it is already given. We know that for adiabatical process, though it is not obeying Boyle's law, but for adiabatical process, ये देखो ये बहुत important है. For adiabatical process, adiabatic process, we cannot write PV is equal to constant. देखो बच्चों, we cannot write PV is equal to constant as Boyle's law is not valid for it. ठीक है? But yes, if we raise some power to the volume like gamma, okay, and gamma is ratio of two specific heat at constant volume, constant pressure, and specific heat of constant volume, then we can write for adiabatical process PV raised to gamma is equal to constant. देखो, for isothermal process we can write PV is equal to constant as it obeys Boyle's law, but for adiabatical process it doesn't obey Boyle's law as temperature is not constant, it is changing from T1 to T2. For that reason we can write PV raised to gamma is equal to constant. And we have one proof also. For proof, immediately ye dekho, though it is not there in the CBSE syllabus, if you are really interested, ki sir, we want to know how come this PV raised to gamma is equal to constant. How do we write this PV raised to gamma is equal to constant? For that reason, I am sharing one video right now on WhatsApp group. Hope you have received that video. Will you check it? Hope you have received that video. Yes, cadets, did you
Yes,
receive?
sir.
Okay. Now you can see it very carefully. But yes, you have to understand PV raised to gamma is equal to constant. This equation is true for adiabatical process. ठीक है? From this equation, देखो अभी यहाँ से हम क्या करेंगे? From according to this equation, we can write what is the value of P बच्चों? What we can write for P? P के लिए हम क्या लिख सकते हैं? Can you write P is equal to? और ये देखो one more step we can increase. So from this step we can write PV raised to gamma is equal to constant K. Therefore I can write P is equal to K into V raised to minus gamma. Yes, cadets, can you write it? अरे बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is our equation number 2. So now use equation 2 in 1. इसमें use करो equation. Now what is the work done? So work done W will be equivalent to, क्या आएगा देखो? W is equal to initial volume V1 to final volume V2. ठीक है? K V raised to gamma minus gamma into dV. So I have decreased the fount size. Are you able to see this? What it is written on the screen?
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Okay. Now this equation will come. Now K is constant, so we'll take it outside. So we can write work done is equal to from initial volume V1 to final volume V2. K को मैंने बाहर निकाला, तो in bracket it will come V raised to minus gamma into dV. But again we have integration formula, V raised to minus gamma dV. Do you remember one formula I have given? देखो.
Yes, sir.
Okay, अगर हम ऐसे लिख सकते हैं इंटीग्रेशन ऑफ x to the power n dx, तो इसका इंटीग्रेशन क्या आएगा? Can you write it x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1?
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is the formula, you can use it. So from this equation we can write, ये देखो एक्सप्रेशन हम कैसे लिखेंगे देखो, work done W is equal to K into V raised to minus gamma plus 1 divided by minus gamma plus 1. ठीक है? वो यूनिट्स क्या रहेंगे? फ्रॉम लोअर लिमिट V1 टू फाइनल लिमिट और अपर लिमिट V2. क्लियर? बट अगेन कैडेट्स देखो यहां पे दिस वी कैन राइट वर्क डन W इज इक्वल टू K. अब यहां पे ऐसे लिख सकते हैं कि देखो, कैन यू राइट इट लाइक दिस, V raised to 1 minus gamma divided by 1 minus gamma from lower limit V1 to upper limit V2. Yes, cadets, can we write it?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is V, raised to minus gamma plus 1, so we can write 1 minus gamma, and at denominator minus gamma plus 1, so here also we can write 1 minus gamma. Now 1 minus gamma we can take it outside. ठीक है, 1 minus gamma को थोड़ा बाहर निकालो यहां से, ठीक है, we'll take it outside. तो देखो क्या आएगा रिमेनिंग चीजें. So the work done W is equal to, it will come K upon 1 minus gamma, in bracket it will come V raised to 1 minus gamma from V1 to V2, upper lower limit V1 to V2, right? So if you put the limits of integration in this case, so W is equal to K upon 1 minus gamma, V raised to 1 minus gamma from V1 to V2. अब क्या करना है देखो, we have to use upper limit, minus it into lower limit, use of integration now, integration expansion. So we can write K upon 1 minus gamma, in bracket V2, 1 minus gamma minus V1, 1 minus gamma. Yes, get it? Till this point, is it clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay. अब देखो क्या करेंगे, there is simple way, we'll multiply K inside to V2 and V1. So we can write W is equal to 1 upon 1 minus gamma. This is not X, it is gamma, okay? So K into V2 raised to 1 minus gamma minus K into V1 raised to 1 minus gamma. ठीक है? But according to, yes, बच्चों देखो, according to equation we know that. Just now we have seen, इसको equation दे दो star वगैरह कुछ तो. From equation star, यहाँ पे लिखो from equation star, we know that PV raised to gamma is equal to constant, is equal to K. ठीक है ना? So हम लिख सकते हैं P1 V1 raised to gamma is equal to K and P2 V2 raised to gamma is equal to also K. समझ में आ रहा है? So we can write P1 V1 raised to gamma is equal to K and P2 V2 raised to gamma is equal to also K. लिख सकते हैं ना? Yes, get it?
Yes, sir.
तो यहाँ पे देखो, this K is related to the first volume, first pressure, first temperature, that is position 1, and this K is related to somewhere position 2. So what we are going to do, as K is same in both the values, in both the cases, so here we'll use K of second stage as V2 indicates second stage, final position, and here we'll use K for initial case as V1 indicate initial stage of the thermodynamic system, right? So अब यहाँ पे क्या करेंगे देखो, so work done is equal to, we can write 1 upon 1 minus gamma. तो K की वैल्यू यहाँ पे क्या पुट करेंगे? Yes, cadets, will you tell me what value to be putted here? What value to be put here?
P2 V2.
Exactly. P2 V2 raised to gamma, और इस K के अलावा क्या पुट करेंगे? P1 V1 raised to gamma, and remaining quantity जो हमारी है V2 raised to 1 minus gamma as it is, here also V1 raised to 1 minus gamma as it is. ठीक है? This is P1, huh? Try to understand, this is P1. ठीक है? अब देखो, yes बच्चों, इसमें कुछ हो सकता है इंटरेक्शन. Is there any interaction?
gamma cancel.
Yes, यहाँ पे देखो आपका पावर इंडेक्स रूल अप्लाई होगा तो gamma gamma यहाँ पे क्या होगा? कैंसिल होगा. ठीक है, कैंसिल. क्लियर? तो फाइनली विल गेट वन इक्वेशन. तो वर्क डन आपको क्या मिलेगा? 1 upon 1 minus gamma. ठीक है, 1 upon 1 minus gamma. In bracket it will come P2 V2 minus P1 V1. Yes, is that clear? यहाँ तक क्लियर है? यहाँ पे रूल कौन सा अप्लाई किया हमने? यहाँ पे यस, यहाँ पे हमने रूल अप्लाई किया x टू द पावर, अगर ये देखो माइनस के होगा इंटू एक्स टू द पावर 1. देखो सिंपल रूल आपको देता हूं पावर इंडेक्स का, अगर x टू द पावर k होगा इंटू एक्स टू द पावर y होगा, सो वी कैन राइट x टू द पावर k प्लस y. लिख सकते हैं ना? ओके, सेम रूल. बट अगेन वी नो दैट, क्या पता है देखो, वी नो दैट द आइडियल गैस इक्वेशन PV इज इक्वल टू nRT. ठीक है, सो फॉर फर्स्ट पोजीशन, फर्स्ट के लिए हम लिख सकते हैं P1 V1 इज इक्वल टू nRT1 एज एडियाबैटिकल प्रोसेस टेम्परेचर चेंजेस, एंड P2 V2 इज इक्वल टू nRT2 T2 हम सेकंड केस के लिए लिख सकते हैं, सेकंड पोजीशन के लिए लिख सकते हैं. So use these values in equation, इसको नाम दो कुछ तो 3. So use equation, ये वाला 3 में यूज करो. So we can write work done is equal to 1 minus gamma is equal to क्या आएगा बोलो? Instead of P2 V2 what should we write?
nRT2.
nRT2 minus nR T1.
T1.
So finally we got the work done in adiabatical process. Work done is equal to 1/1 minus gamma. और यहाँ पे आप ऐसे भी लिख सकते हो, देखो nr को कॉमन निकालो, nr/1 minus gamma in bracket T2 minus T1. यस बच्चों, अभी बोलो इज दैट क्लियर? एक बार फिर से मैं रिवीजन इसका लेता हूं. विल सी इट वंस अगेन. ठीक है, और जैसे नोट्स में मैंने दिया है, इफ यू फॉलो द नोट्स, इसको और भी लिख सकते हैं, ये भी पॉसिबल है, ऐसे भी आ सकता है, nr gamma minus 1 माइनस से मल्टीप्लाई करके T1 minus T2 इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबल. ठीक है, तो दोनों आप लिख सकते हैं यहाँ पे. सो सी इट वंस अगेन कैडेट्स, क्या हम देखने वाले यहाँ पे? सो नाउ जस्ट नाउ वी हैव सीन द वर्क डन. once again I'm work done in adiabatical process. Means adiabatical process means the temperature and volume both change. Okay, now here if you see, we know that the work done in the thermodynamic system में work done कितना होता है? Work done is equal to PdV, integrating PdV from initial volume V1 to final volume V2. now उसके लिए हम एक system consider कर रहे हैं. Consider a system which contains large number of particles or n number of particles, assembly of n number of particles enclosed in a cylinder which is fitted with weightless, movable and frictionless piston, and walls of the cylinder are made with or made by adiabatical or insulating material. Now initially the piston was at position 1, so P1, V1, T1 are the pressure, volume and temperature at position 1. Suppose as we are not expected to provide, or we are not supposed to provide any heat energy to the adiabatical system externally, so system uses its own heat energy, own internal energy for expansion process, and it got expansion from P1 to P2. Volume changes P1 to P2, sorry, pressure changes P1 to P2, volume changes V1 to V2, temperature changes T1 to T2, means it got expanded from point 1 to point 2 with a displacement dx. Just try to understand. But for adiabatical process, we can write PV raised to gamma is equal to constant, that is K. And for this proof, I have already shared the video. Later on, you see the video. Try to understand it. ठीक है? So we can write PV raised to gamma is equal to constant. So V को यहाँ पे shift कर दो, transpose कर दो RHS में, right hand side में. So it will come P is equal to K into V raised to gamma minus gamma. Then you apply the integration. So you put the value of P from equation 2, then it will come integrating V1 to V2 K V raised to minus gamma into dV. Okay, now you use integration, K बाहर निकालो, K को constant है, so we can use this formula x to the power n dx, so x to the power n plus 1 upon n plus 1. So it will come minus gamma plus 1, denominator में minus gamma plus 1 from lower limit V1 to upper limit V2. ठीक है, और initial limit V1 to final volume V2. Understood? Now minus gamma plus 1 we can write 1 minus gamma. ठीक है, and 1 minus gamma को बाहर निकालो, so it will come V to the power 1 minus gamma from initial lower limit V1 to upper limit V2, or initial volume V2 to final volume V2, isn't it? Then we can put the values, or we can use the rule of integration expansion process. So it will come, first you put upper limit, then minus it into lower limit. So V2 raised to 1 minus gamma minus V1 raised to 1 minus gamma. ठीक है ना? But we have to multiply by K in bracket. So K V2 minus K V1 raised to 1 minus gamma. But according to equation this star, we know that PV raised to gamma is equal to constant in adiabatical process. ठीक है ना? So here we can write P1 V1 raised to gamma is equal to constant, and similarly for second case, for second final position, अगर A valid होगा first position के लिए, तो second position के लिए B valid है. P2 V2 raised to gamma is equal to constant. Understood? So we can write for first position we can write P1 V1 raised to gamma, and for second position we can write P2 V2 raised to gamma, and then gamma gamma will get cancelled, and it will come work done is equal to 1/1 minus gamma P2 V2 minus P1 V1. But again, we know that ideal, general, or perfect gas equation, PV is equal to nRT. But here, P, pressure, volume, temperature, all three variables are changing. So we can write P1, V1 is equal to nRT1 for the first position. And after expansion, P2, V2 is equal to nRT2. If you put it, take nR common. So finally, we'll get the work done in the adiabatical process. Work done is equal to nR upon 1 minus gamma T2 minus T1. Hope I am very, very, very clear to all of you. Yes, cadet. Did you understand clearly? Yes, बच्चों बोलो.
Yes, sir.
Is there any doubt, Vaishnavi?
सर यहाँ पे गामा की वैल्यू कहाँ से हम लाएंगे?
गामा की वैल्यू, गामा इज द कांस्टेंट, इट इज द रेशियो ऑफ टू स्पेसिफिक हीट. ठीक है ना? गामा होता है Cp अपॉन Cv, स्पेसिफिक हीट एट कांस्टेंट प्रेशर अपॉन स्पेसिफिक हीट ऑफ कांस्टेंट वॉल्यूम. Already it's been discussed in that video. You just see the video which is being shared on the group. Clear?
ओके सर. तो फिर सर सॉल्व करते वक्त
हाँ, सॉल्व करते वक्त
गामा की वैल्यू
they may give also in example. They may give the constant gamma for the particular case, particular gas. Cp upon Cv का constant वो देंगे. With the help of Mayer's relation also we can calculate it. ठीक है?
यस सर.
Okay. और any कोई doubt है इसमें? तो did you understand all three topics which we have discussed today, or basically two topics, work done in the isothermal process and work done in the adiabatical process? Yes, cadets?
यस सर.
Okay, chalo. So we'll stop here. Thank you.